Okay, so here are the platforms where I am on as a instructor. So this is my Udemy profile. So I have 4 courses on Udemy right now. These are the 4 courses, and also you'll get a link to my Facebook, my LinkedIn, and also my YouTube channel on this profile. And after that, I have a profile on tutorials point. So I only have 1 course right now on tutorials point, but I'm working on uploading other courses on this platform as well. Okay, so here you can see my courses, my about, and here I have my social links as well, YouTube and LinkedIn. And then I have a profile on greenford.com as well. Here I also have just uploaded the Microsoft Excel course, but soon I'll be uploading the other courses as well. So, and after that I have a profile on another platform that is called the Stars and Cows e-learning experience or e-learning platform, and this platform is basically in Italian language. That's why I don't really understand much of this platform, but my courses are on this platform. My Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint courses are on this platform. So if anyone is who speaks Italian wants to do my courses here, you can do that as well. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. So different platforms I have my courses. So the courses are slightly different on each and every platform because I cannot upload the exact same courses on each and every platform, and the price ranges are actually organized that way too. So here you'll see the original price for my Microsoft Excel course here was $99.99, and the total hours were 4.5 hours. But if you go to Greenford, you'll see that the total hours are 3 hours and 30 minutes, and the price here, the original price here is $29. And then on tutorials point, actually I didn't really set the price here. Anyway, so this is 3.5 hours as well. The original price is $80. Alright, most people buy courses from this platform using Indian rupees instead of dollars, so that's something else as well. So yeah, these are the platforms where I am on. So this is how you can search for me on those platforms. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for watching.